Hey guys, Richard here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to finally link your products to the Merchant Center, right? Because you do have to link your products to the Merchant Center so that then you can get them from the Merchant Center onto your AdWords account, and then that's how you begin running your ads. So as you guys can see right now, this is our Merchant Center, and we have no products, right? So this is the home page here. And when you want to see your products, you go into products and then you click on list. And this is where we would see all of our products, but there's none there, obviously, because I haven't linked them. So let's start linking them now. Okay, so you guys should already have this Google Shopping sales channel added, right? You guys went into the apps, you looked up Google, and then you added it. So now we're gonna click here. And guys, there's nothing scripted here. I'm literally doing this on the fly, just showing you guys exactly how I would do it. So we would click here on start to sync your products. Okay. It can take up to 3 business days for Google. Let's see here, products. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why it was only showing one. I guess it just took a little bit. So now it's syncing them here. It's pending. Oh, this is awesome. This is our Merchant Center account here. Okay. Okay, so they're all pending. Let's see. They're not there yet. They can take up to. Okay, yeah, so I mean, it can take up to 3 days, guys, but this, it should show up here within 5 minutes. So we might fast forward this video here until they show up because there's no point in you guys just watching this and watching me waiting. So we'll probably fast forward this part here. Okay, guys, so we're back here, and even they're not all up, but just to show you guys, so the snorkeling mask actually went up, and this is how it would look, right? You would have this yellow status symbol here where it's still pending. And again, I mean, it can take up to 3 days, but usually within 1 through 2 days your products should be up. And once they're up here in the Google Merchant Center, then we can start making our campaigns. So just to show you here, it will still show pending, right? It will change to active when they're actually active in the Merchant Center already, but until then they're still gonna say pending. So yeah, I mean, that's about it for this video, guys. So in the next video we're gonna start actually making the campaigns. So we're gonna wait here for all these products to go into active mode, and once they're active we'll start making our campaigns. All right, guys, catch you in the next video. Bye.